Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna. Today for you I have a Princess Comics blind bags opening. Now I'm not too sure what series that is, but I have a friend in Arkansas. Her name is Monica and she's trying to help me complete my princess set, I guess, and she sends me her doubles. So I was very fortunate. Before I get started, I want to just show the three that I did pick up the other day on my own when I went and I saw some blind bags. I got Pocahontas. I got Aurora. Forgot her name and she's not Aurora. And Cinderella. Isn't that cute? Okay. So now, without further ado, I'm going to try to match some of the other ones that I don't have. Now, I do have like a Tiana, and I have a Jasmine. My friend doesn't like when I hold the figures like that, so there I have a Jasmine. I do have another Sleeping Beauty, but she's in a different dress. And I just have assorted ones. One of my favorites I have is Moana. So she'll go back here on my Moana shelf. Okay, so just without further ado, let me get into opening some of these bags and see what I can add to my collection. Okay, this is a good, nice one. Look at this. This is Rapunzel. There, do you see Rapunzel? Rapunzel's like, hey, it's me, folks. Okay, bag number 2. Oh, yes. Oh, that's Cinderella. Oh, I'm really, okay, Cinderella is my favorite princess. So I am really trying to get as much Cinderellas as I can. And now I have Cinderella in the dress that the birds and the mice made for her. She's winking. Okay, so just to show you some other Cinderellas that I have, where's my Cindy? I have this one. Put that over here. And I have the Prince. Okay, these are ones that I already had. And I have a couple of Gus Gus. And I have Fairy Godmother. Okay, keep on opening, see what I can get. Oh, Tiana's so pretty. Okay, I don't have a Tiana like this. Tiana is so pretty. Thank you, Monica. So awesome. Okay. Oh, see, look at Princess Tiana. Isn't she cute? So just to recap, I have 2 of them now. Okay, this is the new one, so I'll put the new one there. The old one I'll keep here. It's so hard sometimes to keep track of what you got and when you got it and what year it's from. Oh yeah, you guys are gonna love this one. Mulan. Oh, I am so happy to have Mulan. Wow, that is so nice. Oh, I guess that's Mulan as Ping. Oh, y'all know who this is. Belle in her yellow dress. Belle. Okay, do I have any other bells? I don't think I do. I don't have a bell. That's my first bell. Okay. Oh, who is this? Oh, it's Charlotte. It is Charlotte. Oh, Charlotte is so cute. I love Charlotte's character. Her accent, so cute. Okay, my Charlotte, you're gonna go over here with Miss Tiana. Okay, I have 4 more bags. my trusty scissors. Okay, this looks like, oh, I love it. I love it. Y'all know who this is. Prince Naveen. Oh, this goes so nice in my collection. Now, I'm still thinking about ways to display my miniature collection, because I don't want to just keep it organized and not set up. You know, organized. I have these boxes and things like this to organize. I want to actually display them. Okay, my next one. Oh my gosh. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I didn't even know. I didn't even know this came. I didn't even know this was a comic. Lumiere. Look at Lumiere's face. Oh, that's so wonderful. See, so now what I have to do, I have 2 left, is I have to organize, put them all together. Who goes with who? Prince Charming. This is cute because Prince Charming is in his translucent suit. He's feeling kind of, you know, what's that word? He wants to bear all. He's transparent. He ain't holding anything back. He's gonna trip the light fantastic with Miss Cinderella. Okay. Last bag. Oh. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay. Now, I think this is Drusilla, and I get mixed up sometimes. Drusilla. Drusilla. Look at her. Isn't she cute? Focus. Oh my gosh, look at Drusilla. That is so wonderful. Thank you so much, Arc Supermom. Thank you, Monica. And thanks, guys, for watching my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and give me a comment. Which one was your favorite and why? Have a great day. Bye.